Hello friends, this video we are going to look how we can change default browser. Okay, this is a process to change for the browser. Okay, right now it's available for Vivo. One example I am showing over here. Okay, vivo.com to Chrome, how to change it. Suppose if you are using for some other mobile, the default browser you don't like, you want to change it for Chrome. In a sense, same settings you can follow. Okay, let me see. Okay, this is the link which we are going to look right now. Okay, once you are clicking this one, it will go for what is a default web browser is available, that link. Okay, so I'm clicking this link right now. Let me see where it is going. So once I'm clicking, in a sense it's going for Vivo browser. Okay, so right now we are going to see how we can change it. You can go for settings. In the settings you can click for apps and permissions. From the apps and permission, different option will be there. Okay, in your mobile the advanced setting will be there. After clicking for apps and permission, from my mobile, permission and management. Okay, so from the permission management, if you're clicking, in a sense it's available. Okay, some other mobile it's available for some other name also. Okay, it depends upon the brand. If it is Samsung, in a sense that's different, and if it's Huawei, in a sense that's different. Okay, Apple, in a sense it will be different. So based on that, from here it's available for permission management. You can click it and it will goes to for default app settings. Okay, at the end you can look default app settings. You can click that one. It seems name only available for all mobile. From here you can click for the browser. Under the browser, if you're checking, in a sense it's available for Vivo browser as a default. Okay, from here you can click for Chrome, and after that what you need to do, I'm going for the same link. I will show you it's opening for Chrome. Okay, so I'm going for same link over there. I'm clicking right now. So if I'm clicking this link, you can see right now it's going for Chrome browser. See, running in Chrome. This is a way you can change for the browser default. Okay, I think this video will be helpful for you. If it is helpful, you can thumbs up as well as share to your friends and subscribe this channel. Thank you friends, thank you for watching this. Bye.